Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2005 Suzuki SV650s. This is Suzuki's mid-size sport/sport standard motorcycle. Has a 650cc V-twin fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title, California bike. This bike has 23,126 miles on the odometer. This bike is mainly stock. Has nice aftermarket CRG adjustable levers. Bike runs very nicely. Frame sliders. The fuel injected V-twin engine makes very good smooth power. These bikes are very reliable. Great around town. A lot of fun up in the hills. A lot of low end torque. And a great deal at only $31.95 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You can reach that 408-730-0600.